Here at YouTube, what we have here is part 2 of this At&T Galaxy S9. We're gonna go ahead and put the T-Mobile chip back in. Before we do so, we're gonna have to properly provision it back. Go ahead and put the SIM card in. Let me pause the video real quick, pop it in. We are back. Go ahead and pop it in real quick. As you see, this time it's not asking for the code or anything. You'll see it's up. It's well, it's actually reading. It's not showing any service because SIM card is not active, of course. But the device is definitely unlocked. S9 Plus, AT&T. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.